Okay, the news, our debate tonight from Jaipur. I have Krishna Kumar Saharani, is president of the Rajasthan Kisan Union. He's supporting the Aam Aadmi Party. Krishna Kumar Saharani, dhanyavad. Dr. Raza Muzaffar Bhatt is the leader of the Aam Aadmi Party. He is there from Srinagar. And he's the candidate against Farooq Abdullah from Srinagar. Thank you very much. Satyanath Sarangi, welcome to the debate. Welcome back. Chandana Chakravarti, I can see there. She's a social activist from Hyderabad. She's supporting the Aam Aadmi Party. So at least we are not biased. At least we are not prejudiced, and certainly we don't have the powers to put anyone in jail. I feel so grateful tonight to be a free man.
We'll see.
I can tell you. Ashok Pandit is a filmmaker and social activist joining us from Mumbai. Manisha Priyam with us in the studio, well-known political analyst. Neerja Chaudhary, very senior journalist with us. Thank you very much. Vinod Mehta, editorial chairman of The Outlook till 2 months back and avowed supporter of the Aam Aadmi Party. Abid Rasool Khan of the Congress Party. A bit soft on the Aam Aadmi Party. BJP representative coming. So, on the record tonight, on the day we are debating this, we have 4 times as much representation from the Aam Aadmi Party and its supporters on Newshour, on Times Now, than we have of any single political party. That is the independent media, Satyanath Sarangi. That is the honest media.
I'm sorry to say, I would like to correct that.
The media that you want to put up, that is the media that Arvind Kejriwal wants to put in jail, right? Why does he want to put us in jail?
But don't call it independent, please.
How much time do we have?
Independent, for goodness sake.
Independent, for goodness sake.
No, besides expressions, can you say something? The question is, instead of threatening to lock us up in jail,
I suggest you look up
I've asked my one...
today's Times of India. And you will know why I am saying that the media is not independent. On the first page, they're saying they have produced a manifesto. On the first page, they say there should be more private sector incentives, more promotion of foreign direct investment, there should be more privatization and disinvestment. There should be flexible labor market. Companies should be able to retrench workers.
Your argument is how dare we?
Whose interest is media serving?
Wonderful. So Satyanath, your argument is very simple. This is the most ridiculous argument that I have ever heard, or the most silly argument I can say that you could have probably come up with. You know,
then you haven't heard enough. Then you haven't heard enough. Sorry to say, Arnab.
The question is very simply this. No, I'm telling you this. When did Aam Aadmi Party get touchy about Times Now? You know why it was? Because we asked questions about the cops. We asked questions about India's 21st century Taliban.
You know why?
You know what the cops
do, Satyanath
Sarangi? You should know that.
Let me tell you why.
When a girl...
You want to know?
Listen to me,
Satyanath. Give me a moment.
Have the patience and the humility to listen. When a girl gets raped by her father, there are Khap Panchayats in this country who tell the girl, marry your father and leave the village. And when we ask, why were you trying to use arguments to support the 21st century Taliban? Because you are fighting the Haryana elections? Because you are seeking vote banks? I want you to ask, I'm asking you today, can Yogendra Yadav or Arvind Kejriwal not come out and say the Khap Panchayats are illegal, unconstitutional, even decided so by the Supreme Court of India? Why are you scared? When I say today you are scared because of vote banks. What is your answer? When we ask that question, you know what you do? You call us and you say we will not come on Times Now because you ask tough questions. That's why you don't want those tough questions to be asked. You are scared of tough questions, Satyanath Sarangi, and I have the right to ask those questions. I want you, Satyanath Sarangi, to show me the proof tonight.
Now?
I want Arvind Kejriwal to show me the proof tonight. That he said that cops were unconstitutional. Did he say that? Manisha Priyam, I want you to come to the debate. Did you hear Arvind Kejriwal say that?
No, not even an apology. And in fact, to try and understand too many nuances of saying that the CAP has a social function. But that's a panchayat that we don't want to even talk about. He's talking only about the father raping. I was just talking to Neerja about students doing PhDs, where in Delhi, the districts that are adjoining Haryana, number of deaths where a young girl only falls in love with a man in the same gotra in Delhi, and then the brother lures them back, will be killed. At least you know, 400, 500 murders that have happened in Delhi of
There is
young
no answer.
men because cops have ordered to do so. Now, this is an institution that should actually just be banned.
So I ask a second question, and the second question goes to Chandana Chakrabarti, Nirja Chaudhary. I'm coming to you. Good media, bad media, paid media. My question is this, Chandana Chakrabarti, you are a social activist, you're supporting the Aam Aadmi Party. Is it okay for Arvind Kejriwal to collude with a journalist to avoid some questions on the private sector, right? And agree to play up some other parts of the interview? That is good media. Is that good media or paid media? My question to you, Chandana Chakrabarti, is when Arvind Kejriwal colludes, as he was caught on tape recently, as you may have seen, right, saying, I don't want to answer these questions on the private sector because it will affect some vote banks of mine. That is good media, Chandana Chakrabarti. What do you think? What's your view? And everybody else is the paid media.
Well, the problem with your kind of reporting is that you exaggerate. You bring it out of context, you blow a small thing out of proportion.
No, what is
and,
the exaggeration
you have
out
a
here in this?
magnifying glass
Was there or not, Chandana,
all the
Chandana,
time.
was there or
Just
not
now,
a point
just now.
where
One sec.
in that clip
Just
which
now
was
you
shown
talked.
that there was a conversation
about
where
Khap
Arvind Kejriwal
Panchayats.
said, I don't want
Yogendra
to answer
Yadav
these
and
questions
Arvind
on the private
Kejriwal
sector.
have said it many,
I
many
don't want to
times
answer these questions
that
on the private sector
there is
because
no
it will
point
affect my
banning
vote banks.
Khap Panchayats.
Did
They
he
will
say
come
that?
back in some other form. What you have to do is to bring
Oh,
them
they'll come back
under
in
the
some
law.
other form.
He has answered these
Don't want to
questions,
waste
and you
our
keep on
democratic
saying that he
time
hasn't
dialoguing
answered
with
these
an
questions.
institution
That's
which
the point.
gives the edict of death to
That's
young
the point.
ones. They're only
The kind of
having married
magnifying
for
glass
love.
that you have used over
question-
Aam
There can be
Aadmi
no
Party,
dialogue
you
with some
don't use it
organizations.
over anybody else.
What's social about organizations of this kind?
Arnab,
That's not the point. Today, tell me,
Chakrabarti,
why
I asked
aren't you
a
paying
question
as much
which you chose
attention
to
to the
ignore.
fact that a
My
tainted
question was
person
this.
like Sri
My
Ramalu
question
is
was
taken
this,
back by
that my
BJP?
question
But
was
you're
this,
talking
that
about a
Satyanath
small
Sarangi
thing.
started out today. Ms. Chakrabarti, listen to me. Please be calm. Satyanath Sarangi started out today saying that, if you're promoting the private sector, etc., it's very bad, it's unethical, it's paid and all that. My question is,
He's absolutely
Satyanath
right.
Sarangi,
He's
is
absolutely
it okay
right.
to tell a journalist or
That
agree
shows
with a
what
journalist saying, is it okay to get together with a journalist? Allow me to complete, please, Ms. Chakrabarti. Please, I'm not in lockup yet. When I'm in lockup, see, I won't get the opportunity to ask you these questions. Till I'm a free man, let me
No,
ask the
I
questions.
think, no,
please.
you can't make
Please
this
understand,
argument
no, I'm a
like
free
ridiculous.
man.
Let's talk about issues.
No, I'm making the point regularly because I'm so fortunate
You will be
tonight
a
to
free
be a
man.
free
I
man
don't
in a
think
free
he has
country.
anything about independent journalists.
question is-
He doesn't have anything about
One thing today.
journalists or editors. The point is that these newspapers and channels are owned by promoters and they have several businesses.
So Miss Satyana, 1 minute, Chandana Chakrabarti, can I ask you, is it true that one of your senior leaders was working for a channel that is 100% owned? One of your very senior journalists till recently was working for a channel that is 100% owned, right, by the same media house you are hitting the
Accusing
streets
of-
and doing press conferences against till recently? Can you say that journalist is
Not
also
just
paid
that,
media?
a large
why he
number of
left.
journalists
Give me a
work
clear
for
answer.
That's
a
the
large
reason he
number
left.
of journalists today work for media houses
Oh, so
that
you
are
are-
owned by corporate houses. This is no
Oh, so-
secret, and we know. And just like Satyanath
Okay.
said to you,
But it is
Satya
Ar- but it is
mentioned about
Arvind
what's on
Kejriwal who keeps
Times of
questioning
India
that. It is
first
Arvind
page.
Kejriwal
This
who
is
keeps questioning that. It is
why?
Arvind
Tell me, why is
Kejriwal-
media a holy cow that it
Arvind
can't be
Kejriwal- listen to me,
questioned?
ma'am.
Tell me, Arnab,
No.
why don't you run a ticker?
No,
Why
no, of
don't you
course,
run a
please
ticker
question.
on your
No,
news
no,
when
but
you
why
have
are
a
you-
debate
why are
like
you-
this? Who owns equity of your house? Why can't you be transparent?
Well,
The reason that you
fine,
are
exactly.
using a magnifying glass
one
over
second,
Aam
one
Aadmi
second,
Party is because
I'll
it's
tell you one
asking
thing.
very
I'll tell you
inconvenient
one thing.
questions.
Arnab, I want to-
Everyone,
Arnab, I want to come
including
in.
the media.
Arnab, I want to come in.
Tell you, my
Arnab,
question was very simply this.
I want to come
that
in,
Was
Arnab.
this a good media? Suddenly, okay, Ashok Pandit, okay, fine.
I want to ask a very
Ashok
simple
Pandit.
question to Ma'am Chakrabarti and other representatives of AAP. Where were these arguments of corporate houses owning the media houses when the major Jimmy Jeeps, all the media houses, major reporters, news channels had camped at the Ram Leela Maidan promoting this party? Why did these arguments were not given that time that these channels are owned by these corporate houses?
Why don't you-
When,
why
one
don't you
sec,
talk-
allow
why
me to
don't you
finish.
talk about
Madam,
what
allow me to
happened
finish.
after AAP came to
Madam,
power?
allow me to finish. Allow me to finish. You have an habit of not allowing others to talk. This is the byline of Aam Aadmi Party. Allow people to talk first.
No, no,
where,
no,
was,
that's
where,
not a
was,
habit.
where was this
I
argument
thought you-
when every
you had
day,
the crown.
every minute, Aam
Your
Aadmi
party had the crown.
We heard it.
leaders
You
were
have the
promoted, they were taken, they spoken right about it, there are good things in that. That time the argument should have come. You should have boycotted the media houses. You should have not come on television channels.
Suddenly
And even now,
everything changed.
you should have done that.
Everything changed
Because
when
now,
AAP became a
because,
political party.
because
It
your
showed
leader,
that it is possible
because,
to fight
no,
elections,
because your
17
leader,
constituencies
because,
with white money.
ma'am,
That's where
because
the
your
equation
leader
changed.
stands exposed, he failed as a Delhi CM, he has failed people, he has started moving in
so I have
private
a
jets.
question. Can I
You
ask
are awkward to answer
my question
such
number 10.
questions
May
from
I
a common
ask you
man.
a question?
No, you know.
There were 3 other states that won elections at the time that AAP came to Delhi. Why weren't these questions asked about their progress and what they have done there?
No, you had a problem.
The only question that
No,
was
you
asked
had a
was
problem.
about
They
AAP.
didn't have a
What has
problem.
AAP done in 1 month?
They didn't
and
have a
everything
problem.
that it done,
Madam,
had
you,
done,
madam,
was
you
never
have a
even
problem.
reported.
You have a problem.
Ms.
They didn't have a
Chakrabarti,
problem.
what on earth are you saying? You see, I'm
where
asking
are,
the
why are
question.
the fingers
1 minute.
not?
Now,
why are the fingers not
both,
raised
both,
on?
both of you, please,
on
1 minute. Please calm down. Nirja Chaudhary.
Why are you
Nirja
silent on
Chaudhary,
that?
what is this overreaction all about? Let me get a point of view from a couple of senior journalists. Let's analyze this now. There is obviously a problem that the Aam Aadmi Party has.
I
Nirja.
would fight for the right of AAP to have their view on CAP. I completely disagree with that stand. I would also fight for the right of them questioning,
Yes.
FDI in retail, why is it pro-corporate? Because that is, the difference of opinion is the heartbeat of democracy, media freedom, which
Yes.
we cherish. What is problematic to me about Arvind Kejriwal's statement, and I find it deeply disappointing, Arnab, because if this man has been talking about deepening democracy, the decentralization of democracy, therefore expectations were very high. The problematic part is, if you are not for me, you are against me.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you extend that argument a little further, and if you are against me, that means there must be some reason why you're against
And you
me.
must be paid.
You must be paid is a further extension
Yeah.
of that.
He's a
Now
Taliban.
that-
No, but they are masters at exaggeration. You see, I'll tell you one way. They are masters at exaggeration, but isn't there a realization here that they're going to
That mindset, Arnab, is very dangerous for our democracy.
Absolutely.
why are they doing it?
Why they're doing
Arrogance.
it, I think,
Arrogance.
today, Arnab, Kejriwal, I thought lacked gravitas in the way
Yeah.
he took on the media.
Yeah,
There were different ways, even if you disagree with the way media has been projecting.
I have a dissenting opinion, Arnab. I think the media, all of you respected journalists, are not grounding the fact enough that this is a very serious, bad statement coming from a former chief minister saying the use of the word lock up.
Lock up.
is
Lock up. Lock up.
Yes,
Jail bhej dunga.
indeed, we take strong objections as academics saying the fourth estate, the media, which has been a vanguard of democracy. There could be any paid news, there could be any nuancing, there could be any difference.
It's
the
the same-
use of the word lock up,
It's the
strong
same-
objections.
You
in
know,
it.
the
It's a former chief
the
minister.
problem really is the same George Bush rationale, You are either with me or you're against me. Now, he can say, you're talking
up
about,
pinning.
my question is, somebody mentioned here equity and all that. Now, Arvind Kejriwal went on a private jet. When Arvind Kejriwal went on a private jet, a media house paid for it. Did Arvind
answered that.
Kejriwal, 1 minute, listen, ma'am, please listen. Learn to listen a little bit, ma'am. Please, I'm not
they're
in
not used
lockup
to.
yet. When I'm in lockup, will I be able to ask you this?
They're not used to.
The question is this. The question is, when Arvind Kejriwal went on the private jet, did he say, now there's a media house that is paying for it. I will look at the equity shareholding of that media house. And is it possible that the equity shareholding of the media house that paid for the private jet might involve some very big corporate? Very big corporate. Now then what happens? Then somebody can say that if an Arvind Kejriwal was to do an Arvind Kejriwal on himself, he'd say, that private jet was paid by a very big corporate indirectly. इसमें बहुत बड़ी साजिश है. तो ये क्यों नहीं पूछा जाए? ये तो बहुत बड़ा सवाल है ना. Did he check the equity shareholding of those who are asking these questions? Now my question goes here to Vinod Mehta. Are you scared today? What do you feel about it? You've been supporting the Aam Aadmi Party right from the beginning.
Arnab, on December the 8th in your studio, when the votes were being counted, I said, I've brought a pistol, and if the Aam Aadmi Party doesn't do well, I will shoot myself in your studio. Now, I would never have thought that I would be sitting in a studio where it would be media versus the Aam Aadmi Party. And I can then understand...
No, one second. There's a slight nuance. It's not media versus Aam Aadmi Party.
No, it's Aam Aadmi Party versus media.
Yeah.
I never
correct.
thought I would be
Absolutely.
participating in a debate.
Yeah.
And I never thought I would be participating in a debate in which we would be participating...
It's unfortunate.
Kejriwal versus media.
Media.
I can understand some hothead like Kamar Vishwas, etc. But this is Arvind Kejriwal. What madness has struck the Aam Aadmi? I mean, what are you doing? You have an agenda, you are such a force for good, and you've devoted yourself to a fight with the media. And you have so many damn journalists in your organization. Somebody should tell you to drink a glass of cold water and realize that you're on the wrong path. Your fight is not with the media. Your fight is with vested interest. Your fight is with forces that are against the Aam Aadmi. Why are you fighting with the media? 1 minute.
Let you come.
Why are you fighting with the media? I mean, this is absurd. I rang up Prashant Bhushan, who's an old friend of mine, and he switched off his phone.
Why?
I said, what have you got?
Why switched off the phone?
I couldn't get through. His mobile was not there. I was just saying...
If he's watching tonight, what would you say?
That is a specialization.
And I'd like to place on record, Vinod Mehta has been one of the most outspoken supporters of the Aam Aadmi Party for the last 6 months.
Mother of all ironies.
Go ahead.
Media is supposed to be soft on Narendra Modi.
Yeah.
But you ask the BJP people who has been attacking Narendra Modi since 2002. It is the media. It is the media and the English media which has carried on the struggle against Narendra Modi. The Congress Party has given up.
In fact, the biggest irony is, and Ashish Khaitan is someone we have known as a journalist, Ashish Khaitan says, you don't ask Narendra Modi about the snooping incident. Today he said in the press conference, you don't ask Narendra Modi about the snooping incident. Now I have to say this, and I'm saying this to you, Ms. Chakrabarti, please understand, sometimes just saying I'm Aam Aadmi Party does not make you right. There were 17 debates on this channel, 17 debates on this channel on the snooping incident on this channel. And the fact is that Ashish Khaitan made allegations against Narendra Modi on his website which unveiled Snoopgate. We debated the issue on 5 nights on Newshour alone, non-stop. Never in the last 1 year has one subject been issued for non-stop 5 days from 18th of November till the 26th of December. We repeatedly questioned the BJP and Narendra Modi for a reply to the story. In fact, it's completely hypocritical today to say that you have never asked Narendra Di about the snooping incident. I mean, I don't think we need to. I must say
lady
this.
is there.
We don't need to.
You ask her who's enemy number 1 for Modi. It's the English media.
Well, we have. In fact, I take that as a compliment if all political
but I'm
parties take
saying
on the
that
media.
so we are soft on the media. Narendra Modi.
Well, I mean, this is the way they look at it. Let's get Vani into the debate. I also like to go to Raza Muzaffar Bhatt before that, who was nodding vigorously. Raza Muzaffar Bhatt is the candidate against Dr. Farooq Abdullah. रजा साहब, आपको नहीं लग रहा है कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं? आप इलेक्शन फाइट कर रहे हैं कि मीडिया को फाइट कर रहे हैं?
जी,
ये क्या हो रहा है आपके पार्टी?
देखिए, हम इलेक्शन ही फाइट कर रहे हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं कि मीडिया के खिलाफ हम फाइट कर रहे हैं। बट जो भी केजरीवाल साहब ने जो उन्हें बताया मीडिया के खिलाफ, जो भी उन्हें बताया है वो पूरी तरह से एक रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड चीज होगी। उन्होंने रिसर्च किया होगा, उसके बाद ही कुछ बयान दिया होगा, क्योंकि केजरीवाल साहब
सारे बयान तो उनके गलत है।
नहीं, होगा कि है?
आप बता सकते हैं गलत है, मतलब उनके सामने गलत तो नहीं है। देखिए,
नहीं, जैसे एक बात मैंने उठाया, एक बात उठाए रजा जी, आप
जी
रजा जी, स्नूप गेट पे उन्होंने कहा कि आप नरेंद्र मोदी को स्नूप गेट के बारे में नहीं पूछते हैं।
देखिए,
तो 17 तारीख को मीनाक्षी लेखी और जीवीएल नरसिम्हा राव को पूछा इस प्रोग्राम पर, 18 तारीख को महेश जेठमलानी और पिंकी आनंद को पूछा, 20 नवंबर को हमने सुधांशु त्रिवेदी और यतिन ओझा को पूछा, 28 नवंबर को हमने पिंकी आनंद और यतिन ओझा को पूछा, 2 दिसंबर को हमने जयनारायण व्यास और पिंकी आनंद को पूछा और 26 दिसंबर को हमने स्मृति ईरानी और यतिन ओझा को पूछा। यानी कि हमने इतने सवाल तो पूछे, तो अगर मैं आज ये प्रूफ कर दूं, नहीं मेरी बात 1 मिनट रजा जी, मेरा एक सवाल सिर्फ है, अगर मैं ये कह के आज प्रूफ कर दूं फैक्चुअली, हाँ फैक्चुअली, कोई इसमें चिल्लाने की बात नहीं, फैक्चुअली मैंने प्रूव कर दिया अभी कि हमने स्नूप गेट पर नरेंद्र मोदी को सवाल पूछे थे। इसलिए आप कह रहे हैं कि हम पेड मीडिया है कि हम सवाल नहीं पूछ रहे, मैंने तो प्रूव कर दिया ना, मैंने डेट्स दे दिए। तो क्या आम आदमी पार्टी माफी मांगेगी?
देखिए
क्या आम आदमी पार्टी हमसे माफी मांगेगी कि हमसे गलती हो गई?
ये सच है कि जो नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैं उनके खिलाफ मीडिया ने बहुत सारी स्टोरीज की पिछले 3, 4, 5, 6 साल में, मगर अनफॉर्चुनेटली देखिए हम भी यहाँ देखते हैं, कश्मीर के लोग भी देखते हैं, बाकी भी देखते हैं, तकरीबन पिछले 7-8 महीने से जितनी हाइप नरेंद्र मोदी को दी गई है उतना हाइप आज तक किसी पॉलिटिशियन को इंडिया के अंदर नहीं दी।
तो ये तो
भट्ट साहब आप सपने देख रहे हो?
अननेसेसरी हाइप दी गई नरेंद्र मोदी को।
एक मिनट वानी त्रिपाठी है बीजेपी से कुछ कहना चाहती है आपको, और आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू कीप ट्रांसलेटिंग दिस, व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू कीप ट्रांसलेटिंग दिस डिबेट फॉर आवर व्यूअर्स हु डोंट अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी और उर्दू।
हाइप दी है पता नहीं इसको कहां।
एक मिनट रजा साहब
हमको पता है इसने क्या नरसंहार किया वहां पे गुजरात में।
अच्छी बात है,
हमारे
अच्छी बात है, हम सब अपनी बात
क्या नरसंहार किया कश्मीर में?
जी
आम कर दिया वहां पे नरेंद्र मोदी ने, और आप मीडिया ने, तमाम मीडिया ने, टीवी चैनल हो, हिंदी चैनल हो, कोई भी चैनल हो, इतनी हाइप दी नरेंद्र मोदी को आप लोगों ने,
अशोक पंडित,
आपने इसको हमारे पंडित दिया नरेंद्र मोदी को।
अच्छा एक मिनट, आपने हमारे मैं अशोक पंडित जी आपसे कुछ कह रहा हूँ, सबको स्क्रीन पे लाए प्लीज, सब लोग अगर स्क्रीन पे आए तो मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ।
भट्ट साहब आपने क्या किया नरसिंहार कश्मीर में? अरे भट्ट साहब आपके अगेंस्ट मोलिस्टेशन का चार्ज है। भट्ट साहब आपके अगेंस्ट मोलिस्टेशन का चार्ज है, आपने एक औरत को मोलिस्ट किया हुआ है, आपके अगेंस्ट चार्जशीट है, आपने मोलिस्ट किया एक औरत को, आपके अगेंस्ट चार्जशीट है, और आपको आम आदमी पार्टी टिकट देती है, आपको आम आदमी पार्टी टिकट देती है, आपके अगेंस्ट मोलिस्टेशन का चार्ज है, आपने एक औरत को मोलिस्ट किया कश्मीर में, आपने नरसिंहार किया कश्मीर में, आप क्या सिखा रहे हैं मीडिया को?
रजा मुजफ्फरबाद एक मिनट प्लीज,
आप मीडिया को सिखाएंगे क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए?
तसल्ली से इन अ काम एटमॉस्फेयर या नहीं करेंगे? एक मिनट प्लीज, आप दोनों प्लीज 2 मिनट के लिए, 2 मिनट के लिए प्लीज।
आपने नरसिंहार किया कश्मीर में?
काम डाउन, आप दोनों आप शांत हो जाइए हमारे। अच्छा 2 मिनट शांत हो जाइए प्लीज।
हमारे बहनों का रेप हुआ वहाँ पे,
आपने कश्मीरी पंडितों का रेप किया, आपने कश्मीरी पंडितों का कत्लेआम किया।
अशोक पंडित, आप now I'm going to have to reduce the volume of both of you. I'm going to say one thing. Ashok Pandit, now please keep quiet for 2 minutes. Please show some respect. Please, let's not get diverted. What did I just prove? I have proven, they say we are paid media, we cover Modi. I am asking you, I am wondering, who was paying us when we were covering Arvind Kejriwal?
Absolutely.
हमें कितने पैसे मिले अरविंद केजरीवाल और आम आदमी पार्टी से? मुझे तो पता नहीं कितने पैसे मिले, कितना हमने जो लाइव कवरेज कितना किया, कितने इंटरव्यूज किए, उसका पैसा कौन दे रहा था? हर एक कवरेज के पीछे अगर ऐसा मोटिव देखा जाए तब तो मुझे वानी त्रिपाठी
Arnab, isn't this ironical? And I'm going back to what Mr. Mehta was just saying, you know, that I remember that debate. I remember that debate when, the 5 state elections. I also happened to be in the studio when Mehta ji was here. And of course, he said what he said. And the ironical part, what we call the dance of democracy in this country, has become a jamboree. Why doesn't the Aam Aadmi Party today, which are sting operation specialists, which have actually put together a sting operation, helpline they have put together in the 49 days of the, fantastic rule they did of Delhi. Why don't they prove what kind of money Mr. Arnab Goswami has taken on this show tonight? And why don't we know which is the bank account on which this money was transferred? Calling everybody बिकाऊ, और भट्ट साहब मैं आपसे मुखातिब हूं, मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूं कि आपके अरविंद केजरीवाल साहब ने आज कहा है कि पूरा मीडिया बिकाऊ है, और वाकई अगर पूरा मीडिया बिकाऊ है तो यही मीडिया अभी कुछ हफ्तों पहले, और जब आप इंडिया अगेंस्ट करप्शन का भाग थे, ये तो आप पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बाद में बने, और हम लोगों ने भी तब कहा था ये प्रजातंत्र के लिए स्वागत योग्य बात है और इजाफा करने वाली बात है कि एक नई पार्टी आकर खड़ी हुई। तो तब वो कौन सा मीडिया था जो बिका था आपके हाथों, और आपने कौन से पैसे दिए थे उस मीडिया को जिस पर आज आप लांछन लगा रहे हैं? आप जब नरेंद्र मोदी जी की बात करते हैं तो याद
बिल्कुल, हम
करिए कि
नरेंद्र मोदी को
11
हमेशा
साल
अपोज
तक इस
करेंगे।
देश में
मैं हमेशा
मीडिया
अपोज
ने
करूंगा,
हर
हमारी पार्टी
किस्म का
अपोज करेगी।
क्रिटिसिज्म उनके
पूरा
खिलाफ
देश,
किया। हमने
जितने
कब
भी
जर्नलिस्ट
secular
को
लोग हैं
बंद
इंडिया के
किया,
अंदर,
हमने कब
जितने भी
बदतमीजी
secular
की
लोग
भाषा
हैं
का
इस देश
प्रयोग
के
किया,
अंदर,
when
वो
did we
हमेशा उसको
abuse
अपोज करेंगे।
journalists
वो
and use
हमारे
the
लिए
kind
विलन
of
है,
language
वो
which
विलन
was
है,
used in the
हमारे लिए
debate?
विलन है।
So this is the larger debate.
हमें
There is a question which needs to be asked. What is this language which is used in the
Justification is justified. No, justification is not required. No, justification is not required here. But Nirja is coming back. Nirja and Vinod Mehta. I want to say one. Please, रजा जी जरा बात सुनिए। जब ये मोदी वाली बात पे एक मोदी वाली बात पे आप सुन लीजिए ना प्लीज। रजा जी प्लीज बिना गुस्सा हुए सुन लीजिए। आजकल ये आम आदमी पार्टी डेली गुस्सा करते रहते, कोई मतलब नहीं है इसका। आप
कैसे जिंदा जलाया गया?
एक मिनट
right representative.
एक मिनट आप रजा जी, मैं इधर एक मिनट रजा जी, काम डाउन। अब ये कहा जा सकता है now Mr. Raza, you keep quiet please for a minute. Now I'll get others. Can I have others on the screen? Can I have others please? Now Mr. Raza, please keep quiet for a minute. I'm requesting you. What are we discussing here? Come back please, come back. Now I asked this question, right? Now you understand this whole business. We did an interview with Rahul Gandhi. I want to get Abid Rasool in the debate. We did an interview with Rahul Gandhi on December 27th, right? We asked him questions, right? Using Arvind Kejriwal's logic, Mr. Abid Rasool, it can be said that the BJP was paying us to ask questions to Rahul Gandhi. It's a very simple argument. If you do something that affects somebody badly, then you must be getting paid by somebody else. Simple logic. Satynath Sarangi, just think of the ridiculousness of the argument. Abid Rasool, please, of the Congress. He hasn't spoken.
I would like to say that I believe and my party believe in upholding the independence of media, and we believe that it is an integral part of our democracy, and they play a very vital role in keeping the democracy live and going. Now, as far as Arvind Kejriwal's statement is there, I would like to say that a leader, when he talks of throwing people without a fair trial into a jail or lockup, that is very dangerous for our country. Whether it be the media, whether it be the opposition, we need to condemn all these statements very strongly, and I do that. Thirdly, I would like to say that Arvind Kejriwal and our party is a product of the media. It is a product that has been given the maximum patronage by the media with the intention that they will come up with the right ideas.
Let him come.
Now at this stage, I think it is desperation. It is their nervousness, it is their feeling that they may not come up to the expectation that they have, which is making them make these statements, which are definitely not right in our country, and we totally condemn these statements. We also appeal to the media that they should give a fair coverage to all the parties and present all the facts very straight and very independently, and for which we are committed.
No, you want more coverage for Aam Aadmi Party?
I want coverage which is right, which is truthful, and which is positive, not more or less.
So, if we cover Rahul Gandhi, it's truthful. If we cover Narendra Modi, it's bad.
We accepted over the 10 years, over the last 10 years.
So what you want, Mr. Abid Rasool, is basically you want a situation.
What I said is...
No, you want a situation. All of you want a situation.
No, I don't want Arnab. Let me complete it. I will just take half a minute.
No, 1 minute. You want a heads I win, tails you lose kind of situation, Mr. Abid Rasool.
No, I don't want that.
Listen to me, Mr. Rasool. Why don't political parties listen?
Congress party over the 10 years have taken every flag, but we have not come to the level of criticizing the media.
And you have not done us a favor, by the way.
It's okay.
If you didn't remember this, Mr. Abid Rasool, let me tell you, I don't need a certificate from you.
No, we are not giving any certificate.
I don't need a certificate from Vani Tripathi.
We are not giving any certificate.
I don't need a certificate from the Aam Aadmi Party. Absolutely. In fact, I'll tell you this, the day the BJP, the Congress or the Aam Aadmi Party gives me or any of the journalists here a certificate, that is the day the journalist should leave his job.
Suicide.
You understand that? And Aam Aadmi Party, I just want to ask one question to Krishna Kumar Saharan. He's not spoken. Then I'm coming back to you, Vinod Mehta and Nirja Chaudhary. We are on a good point here. कृष्ण कुमार जी, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? मैं एक सवाल आपसे बस एक बात पूछना चाहता हूं कि अच्छा आप कुछ कहना चाहते थे, कहिए प्लीज। गो
आप पहले सवाल करिए, फिर मैं बोलूंगा मेरी बात। दोनों एक साथ आ जाएंगे। आप सवाल करिए, आवाज नहीं आ रही।
जी मैं सवाल आपसे ये कर रहा हूं, इफ यू कैन लिसन टू मी। When we जब कॉमनवेल्थ गेम स्कैम और 2G स्कैम और आदर्श स्कैम और एयरसेल मैक्सिस स्कैम वगैरह स्कैम सब जब वहां पे सब ब्रेक हो रहे थे, स्कैम्स हो रहे थे, तो जरा आप बताइए किसने एक्सपोज किया ये सारे स्कैम्स? अरविंद केजरीवाल ने किया कि मीडिया ने किया?
बात ठीक है, वो स्कैम आपने एक्सपोज तो किए, लेकिन उन स्कैम का कोई रिजल्ट नहीं मिला, उन स्कैम का कोई रिजल्ट नहीं
नहीं
मिला।
तो नहीं एक मिनट
एक बात
नहीं,
यह कहना-
तब तो हम बिकाऊ मीडिया
एक
नहीं
बात
थे ना।
मैं कहना चाहूंगा।
नहीं उस समय हम बिके हुए थे।
नहीं,
कृष्ण कुमार जी, आप
सुनिए,
बात तो
सुनिए,
समझ
मैं
लीजिए
समझ
ना,
गया
आप इशू
आपकी
को
बात,
बदल
उस
क्यों रहे हैं? आप मेरी बात समझ
हाँ
रहे
जी।
हैं क्या उस समय जब हम सारे स्कैम्स को एक्सपोज कर रहे थे, क्या हमने एक्सपोज किया?
नहीं, आपने उस स्कैम की
कि
तो बात
अरविंद
की।
केजरीवाल, योगेंद्र
अरविंद
यादव,
केजरीवाल
प्रशांत
जी
भूषण
की-
या किसी और ने किया?
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की जो भावना थी ये बात कहने की, आपने उसकी बात नहीं की, उसकी चर्चा नहीं की कि आप इस देश में देखो अभी ओलावृष्टि हुई है। आपका ध्यान एक तरफ मैं दिलाना चाहता हूं, एक स्कैम को तो आपने उठा लिया, लेकिन इस देश का बहुसंख्यक वर्ग किसान जो है वो ओले से उसकी फसल बर्बाद हो गई और इंश्योरेंस कंपनी है उसको 50 पैसे 60 पैसे एकड़ के हिसाब से मुआवजा दे रही हैं। इतने बड़े स्कैम के इश्यू को मीडिया ने कहीं पूरे देश में नहीं उठाया। और
तो एक बात बताइए कि ये क्या कई सालों से, एक मिनट कृष्ण कुमार जी,
ये बरसों से चल रहा है, हम रोज फेस करते हैं।
कृष्ण कुमार जी, एक सवाल है, बात तो सुन लीजिए ना कृष्ण कुमार जी। ये सवाल ये आपसे मेरा ये है कि ये क्या बहुत सालों से हो रहा है, ये ऐसा ये जो हो रहा है जिसके बारे में
बहुत सालों से हो रहा है, शुरू से ही
बात है कि
शुरू से ही हो रहा है, शुरू से ही हो रहा है। इस देश के किसान की कोई बात मीडिया उठाता ही नहीं है।
हो रहा है यानी कि सुनिए ना कृष्ण कुमार जी, सुनिए ना, तो धोखा किसने किया? कांग्रेस सरकार जब थी इतने सालों से, तब भी तो ये स्कैम्स हो रहे थे। तो जब अरविंद केजरीवाल ने कांग्रेस पार्टी से की सहायता लेकर मुख्यमंत्री बन गए, तब
नहीं,
आप
सहायता लेने की बात उस मुद्दे से आप मेरी बात को
आपने क्यों नहीं कहा?
आप ये बात छेड़ करके मेरी बात को डाइवर्ट कर रहे हैं।
उससे आप सपोर्ट लेके सरकार
आप मेरी बात छेड़ के आप डाइवर्ट कर रहे हैं मेरी बात को। कांग्रेस
नहीं, डाइवर्ट नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल सीधा सवाल
नहीं, एक बहुत सीधा सा सवाल है। लाखों लोग बर्बाद हो गए और इस इंश्योरेंस क्लेम के नाम पर इन्होंने जो बदतमीजी की है देश में। आप देखिए, इतना बड़ा इशू है, इतना बड़ा इशू है जिसके ऊपर मीडिया बोल ही नहीं रहा।
That they lay exposed in front of the nation, also whatever Mr. Kejriwal has done. आप ये क्यों नहीं बताते? कहीं ये ऐसा तो नहीं है कि खिसियानी बिल्ली खंबा नोचे वाला हिसाब हो रहा है?
Can you translate that, please?
I mean, really looks like a sour grape reaction that the very media which was with them, and despite the 49 days of rule and whatever rule they did, is today, also critically talking about what the Aam Aadmi Party stands for. Is this the frustration which is coming out of the Aam Aadmi Party towards the media?
Or is it
that you were with us yesterday,
or
today
is
you're
it
not
possible,
with me?
or is it possible, or is it possible that there is a innate over dependence on the media?
And maybe then it was then the analysts used to say that probably this is kind of provocative politics, which is a sound bite, politics which the Aam Aadmi Party wanted to indulge in. Is it that which is playing out as a story?
One minute. So my question here is, and I want to go to Satyanath and I'll come back to you. Satyanath, please tell me one thing. When all these scams were being broken, Satyanath Sarangi, can you still hear me? You can hear me, right?
Can I ask
So my
Vinod
question
Mehta
to you,
a particular question?
Satyanath, is it true that Arvind Kejriwal used to really appreciate the media when all these scams were broken, which he quoted to start his political career? Why did Arvind Kejriwal start his political career? He said because of the CWG scam, because of the 2G scam, because of the other scam, because of the Aircel Maxis scam. There are so many scams in this country. He used to quote the media. He used to quote Times Now reports when he started his political career. So he used to say all these scams broken by Times Now are the reason why I'm entering politics. So then we were good media. Now the same media is asking him that Mr. Kejriwal, don't support the cops. Why are you going on a private jet? So we now become paid media. Do you understand, Mr. Sarangi, that this is a deep ideological crevice that you are falling in, and the ideological crevice is one of intolerance. Intolerance, the same things you accuse other political parties of.
Supporters started
you have become intolerant, like Mr. Sarangi. Intolerant.
Can I continue, please? Say yes, and then I will.
Hello.
Go ahead.
देखिए सर, आप बात कर रहे हैं मीडिया की.
Yeah. So
I've been waiting for your answer. Why have you become intolerant? You used to quote the same scams earlier to justify your entry into politics. Who broke those scams? Times Now. So that time we were good media. Now we are asking you questions. We are paid media.
Or does it mean that when you were breaking the stories on the scams,
Arnab, the way you're going, sorry to say, but Arnab, and sorry to sound crude, But the way you're going, if Kejriwal passes gas today, you will say he's contributing to the greenhouse effect and raising the sea levels. Honestly, man, it's hyperbole.
Do not trivialize the debate.
Look how
Do not
I'm
trivialize
saying
the debate,
that
sir. Please
is it
don't.
the business
I request
of
you.
Times of India.
Don't do that. Let's
say
crudity
things
is not the
that
answer, sir.
against the
Crudity is not
Constitution.
the answer. Please don't do this.
It's shameful.
Do not be crude with me,
Should
and
Times
do not
of
be
India
crude
publish
on the
a
news.
manifesto
We are having a
that
very
has been
serious
drafted
discussion.
by Ambani and
I really
Tata?
think that there is nothing to smile
Is
about.
this
We are
an
having a
independent
serious discussion.
media?
I am asking you
Mr.
today
Vinod
that
Mehta,
the
you
same
answer
scams
this
were
question.
quoted by Arvind Kejriwal when he started his public career. Today, the way
Is
in
it
which you are
Times of
speaking
India's
makes me feel-
business?
Makes me wonder what's going on here. It really makes me wonder.
No, I'm saying someone has to answer that question.
Really
is
makes
this
me
against the Constitution or not?
Vinod Mehta and Nirja Chaudhary here.
Which is a socialist, which calls for a
Mehta.
socialist
Two
country.
or three things. First of all,
Satynath, please.
one is a
Satynath,
very
please.
nice person, but I don't think we should let her get away with the fact that we have nothing to apologize for in attacking Narendra Modi for 11 years. So please don't.
I never
don't
said, Mr. Mehta, that you need to
no,
apologize.
that you
Certain
said
things
you
are
suggested that
important
for
to be
11 years we
understood.
ran a campaign.
No.
The second thing to
I don't think that's the debate,
One
Mr.
minute,
Mehta, at
Vani,
all.
Vani, please. One
Really,
minute.
sorry.
1 minute, Vani. The second thing to say that it's entirely wrong to say that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is a complete production of the media. He has some merit inside him also, and therefore we played him up. The third thing, Arnav, which I find so mysterious, that with so many sane heads in the Aam Aadmi Party, Yogendra Yadav, Prashant Bhushan, how have they locked themselves into this situation where they are having to answer a debate in which Mr. Kejriwal has said that he wants to lock up journalists. I just want to ask. I just want to ask.
I want to come in.
Let him ask Satynath.
One thing. Since he has made that remark,
Yeah, he has.
has
To
there
start
been
with,
any
are journalists
explanation of
free
that
themselves?
remark? Has he said anything to explain in what context he said that remark?
Yeah, there's a justification he's put out, and one of the justifications is that you don't, you cover only Narendra Modi, and you're all bought over by Narendra Modi. To which I asked, and they said there are advertisements. I don't know about
Arnab,
going
I
to
want to
jail.
say- I want
Well,
to
obviously
say
they
one thing
justify
here.
the whole argument of putting journalists to criticize them in jail, and that's why the Editors Guild of India and the Broadcast Trade of
what
India
I'm
has
saying
taken a
is,
position
there
on
been
it.
any second
I
thought
want to
from
come
these
in.
people on that statement?
I don't see any
That's what I
second
want to
thoughts
say,
tonight, Neerja.
Arnab. You see, he says if a judge takes money, should he not go to jail?
Yeah.
If an MP takes money, should he not go to jail? We want to ask, and if a journalist takes money, should he not go to jail? The point is, who decides who goes to jail? What is the due process of law? Do you come out with evidence, or does the chief minister or a prime minister, whatever position they're going to take, decide because you've taken an uncomfortable position, therefore you get locked up in jail?
Yes.
And I would say this today, Arnab, Indian democracy today, Indian media is so vibrant. Let them put the media behind bars and see what happens.
I say
see
so.
the fight back that comes
I'd say
there.
welcome it. I'd say
So many
okay.
political parties have tried to put the Indian media behind bars. From Rajiv Gandhi to Indira Gandhi. No one has
Sanjay Gandhi,
succeeded.
you forgot Sanjay
The
Gandhi.
media has always won, and that is why I ask, why has
following
Arvind
them.
Kejriwal locked himself into a situation where he's fighting the media?
Well, I
Of
don't
all,
know.
he must
I don't know. Maybe because we questioned his favorite minister. No, because when we question his favorite minister who breaks the law, it's completely okay for Arvind Kejriwal. Maybe because we asked him, why did you go on an all expenses private jet? Maybe we asked him, we have proof that you asked not for one but two bungalows, and we have the proof. In fact, the better thing would be for him to Chandana Chakrabarti, just think about it rationally, the better thing for him would be to say that it is a lie to say that I asked for two separate big bungalows. You are showing these papers. I have these papers to prove that I did not. I have these papers to prove that your papers are fake. And we would have said, okay, we made a mistake. We would have put out the correction. That's the mature way to behave. But he has no proof to say that what we have put out is wrong.
He has
No proof to say that our information is wrong. So the only thing that you can do is use this childish hyperbole.
You don't don't talk about
childish
answers he
hyperbole,
gives.
Chandana, to say that you are paid if you are asked questions.
Let me just point out.
Then we have been paid since independence.
Let me just point out one
The
thing.
entire
This
media has
very
then been
debate
paid since
is an
1947,
example of the
Mr.
kind
Chakrabarti,
of
because they've only
reporting
been
you
asking
do.
questions
You
to
keep
different
talking
people.
when we
One
answer.
Ma'am,
You
what-
don't intervene once when the others who attack AAP are talking.
Ma'am,
This your
ma'am,
debate today
ma'am,
is an example
thought I
of the
began
kind
by
of
giving you
questions
the-
you
one
put
of the
and
first
how
opportunities
how
tonight.
biased you are.
Ma'am,
No, but that's
I
not
would
true.
like
But
you
you
to-
talk over me,
I
and then
would-
nobody hears what I say.
I would
But when
like-
the others who are attacking up, you allow them to
Ma'am,
talk.
I would
not
like you to
one
remind-
intervention.
Ma'am,
This is
I
the
would
kind
like
of
you
thing.
to
Today
remind-
you put focus.
I would-
You
I would-
focused on a statement that Arvind has made
Ashok
out
Pandit,
of
please.
anguish.
Ashok Pandit,
And he's
please.
retracted that statement. He
What?
is not against journalists.
Pandit, please.
Please understand, today everybody knows that media is not independent. Media is run by big corporations, big
So I
corporate
am
houses.
asking you,
and
no,
media
Chandana,
is not
Chandana, one
independent.
second.
You
Chandana,
yourself
please,
know
without
it so
losing your
well.
temper.
And that's
No, no,
what
you
he's
clearly.
asking.
Watch, I want
Media
to
is
talk
no
to
holy cow
Chandana
that cannot
Chakrabarti,
be
1 minute.
questioned.
Ms. Chakrabarti,
Also, please
Ms.
remember
Chakrabarti, you know, there
that
is this whole
not
business
questioning
here. Listen to
media
me, please.
is
Am I talking
just
to you? Can
as
you hear me? Can you
dangerous,
hear my
and
voice?
that's something that we
Can
need
you
to
hear
keep
my
in
voice?
mind.
Miss Chakrabarti.
Well, you don't allow
Miss
the
Chakrabarti,
viewers
please
to even
understand
hear what
Miss
I want to
Chakrabarti,
say.
you are
Or
on
the other
Times Now,
people
you are
fall
talking
to
to
your,
Times Now, and my name is
studio.
Arnab Goswami.
What's the point?
And I'm still an
What's the
independent
point?
man, and I'm still not in jail, and you must
Yes
listen to
or
me,
no,
Miss
the point
Chakrabarti.
is
Calm
that
down,
either
please.
you are in love
Please
with your
calm.
voice or
So
only
calm down,
those
Miss
who say yes
Chakrabarti.
to what you say.
Calm
That's
down, you
it.
don't, Miss
You will not
Chakrabarti,
allow.
please calm down.
Why
Otherwise,
should
I'm
I?
going to now,
Why should I calm down when you don't allow to me
I
to
want to answer
answer?
this lady.
Well, it's your
Arnab, I want to
prerogative.
answer.
Miss Chakrabarti, because if you don't calm down, then you might end up putting somebody in jail. Calm down. Miss Ashok Pandit, keep quiet please for a minute. 1 second. Miss Chakrabarti, I'll tell you one thing. Yeah? Please understand this. Please understand this, okay? Understand this. Understand this.
Who's trivializing this issue?
We don't have to learn our journalism from you. A. You were not there when we broke the CWG scam. You were not there when we broke the 2G scam. You were not there when we broke the other scam. You were not there. Now see, again, you are not listening. You are showing this immediate terrible impatience of a novice politician. Miss Chakrabarti, now were you there? We were then good media?
Did you
There
allow
is one
other
story.
people to
There
talk
is
on
one
this media?
story
You
that you
don't.
didn't
But you
break.
allowed
God,
Vinod
Miss
Mehra to
Chakrabarti.
talk. You allowed the others to talk because they were attacking up.
Miss
So
Chakrabarti.
I have to say this.
Miss Chakrabarti, now you know something, Miss Chakrabarti. I'll say this to you. I'll say this to you. Don't do this.
And there lies the key.
So, Miss Chakrabarti, I just want to say this to you. I just want to say this to you. I have 5-6 questions today, okay? You can go back and ask today if it is a crime to ask questions about the car, if it is a crime to ask questions about private bungalows, if it is a crime to ask questions about, there you are, you go against. So since you are not listening, I'm going to go into a break. This debate continues on the other side.
Second or not.
The media does not need Arvind Kejriwal's certificate. But to say we'll put journalists who criticize us in lockup and put them under inquiry when we come to power, ladies and gentlemen, if that is what Indian democracy is going to move towards, I don't know what the future holds. But clearly it will take more than that to try and crush the independent media. I'm coming back on the other side. This debate continues. Isn't it a necessary part? Isn't it a necessary part of being a politician that you hold yourself answerable? You hold such tremendous power. So as a little consequence of that, you will be, you hold so much power. I want to get Nirja. Why do we ask you questions? Like Sanjay Jha. Many people ask me that, Sanjay Jha comes on your program and you criticize him almost every day. I think it is the responsibility of political parties. Yes. Because they hold so much power that there must be that much more answerable.
That much accountability,
Yeah,
that much transparency, that much more questioning. And some speakers have said that the media has scripted the rise of AAP. It is not, we've not done AAP a favor. It was our job to write about it, to reflect it if they did well. So also Modi, if he's doing well, it is our job to reflect that. If the Congress is doing badly, it's our job to reflect that. And I think the media, the Kejriwal's statement actually reflects a non-understanding of the role of the media in a democracy.
Is it true? Do you really think so? You really think so? It's selective, deliberate selective.
I think the media promoted Arvind Kejriwal not because of Arvind Kejriwal, because the
where we would be saying
it is anti-corruption. Therefore, the media supported him because of the anti-corruption plank that he was holding. That plank, after coming into the government, is over.
No, you see. No, I must say this. You see, and I'm saying, 2 years back when Arvind Kejriwal confronted me and he said this at a literary festival, and he said that, you're all on the side of the corporates and you're not covering us. And I told him at that point of time, but Mr. Kejriwal, you're now a politician. I'm not your media partner. And if I were to be a media partner of a politician, then, I would lose my own credibility in my own eyes.
Just say something. I would never have, I've been editor for 40 years. I never thought I'd have a discussion where we would have to explain to these eminent gentlemen that the role of the media is to ask questions.
Yeah.
I mean, it's such a basic and simplistic point.
Yeah.
And I want to ask one more question. And the question I want to ask is, where are the heavyweights of the Aam Aadmi Party?
Where?
Why aren't they defending Arvind Kejriwal when he's under attack? Where are you, my friend Yogendra Yadav? Where are you, my friend Prashant Bhushan? Why have you fielded your second 11?
No, but anyway, that's their choice. That's not the point.
No, but there, I would like to see Yogendra Yadav trying to justify killing journalists.
Certainly it will, because it goes back to 30th January. And my question to Rachna Dhingra is, Rachna, on 30th January, you see, Kejriwal said it is not a question of banning these khap panchayats. Okay, let's go on issues today. That's when the tension begins. You know what khap panchayats do. My question to you, Rachna Dhingra, and I think you're an Aam Aadmi Party candidate and a leader from Bhopal, besides being a well-known activist. Is it outlawed? These khap panchayats have been outlawed by the courts themselves. Is it outlawed for us to ask that question? And where do you personally stand? Do you believe that khap panchayats are completely illegal and unconstitutional and should be therefore done away with? You are a woman, you are a social worker. You know what these khap panchayats do to women, right? And I just want to know where you stand on that.
See, Arnab, we have been discussing this media issue of media independence and all, and I think you.
No, my question to you is, it emerges. No, my question is very simple, Rachna. Rachna, my question is a very simple question. That the tension starts with the media the moment you say that we don't agree with
Arvind are doing something illegal.
Arvind Kejriwal's petition.
Suniya, listen. If khap panchayats are doing something illegal and unconstitutional, they should not be allowed. And I think Arvind categorically made that statement.
No, Ms. Dhingra, you are a Ms. Dhingra. You are a human rights activist. You understand the question. I don't expect you to be so diplomatic in replying this question today. Please don't circumvent my question. My question is very simple and direct, okay? My question is that there is, as per the Supreme Court of India and my understanding, in this country, there is no legality to a parallel justice system. Is it true or not that khap panchayats have been operating as a parallel justice system? A justice system which justifies the rape of a daughter by the father and then tells the father to marry the daughter and get out of the village.
It is also true.
So my question to you is not about whether they do something bad. My question to you is about an illegality called the khap panchayats and whether they deserve to exist. Please answer that question.
Pollute the environment of common people. No, I'm saying by the same logic that you are using with khap panchayats, I've already made my statement. Anything illegal or
why are you avoiding my question on khap panchayats? Because they're a vote bank for you in Haryana?
But by the same token, by the same logic that you are saying, corporations do even more horrible things to people, do even more horrible things to women.
You answer the question on khap panchayats. Just because they're a vote bank in Haryana.
I have answered your questions.
So then if I ask you that just because they're a vote bank in Haryana, you will allow the existence of khap panchayats, answer my question, Rachna Dhingra.
I have answered your question, Arnab. I am saying that anything illegal. I know I am a woman and activist. You don't have to tell me this over and over again. All I am saying is anything illegal and unconstitutional will not be tolerated.
I am asking you that khap panchayats are an illegality. Is it true or not that the khap panchayats carry out the greatest brutality on women and young couples?
Are you going to decide what is illegal
as a parallel
in this country
justice system?
now? Are you going to decide from your news hour show what is illegal in this country now?
The Supreme Court of India, you don't believe in the Supreme Court of India? You believe in the khap panchayats? You don't believe in the Supreme Court, madam? You don't believe in the Supreme Court, madam?
No, I believe in the Supreme Court. I believe in the Supreme Court of India. All I am saying is that we are not going to tolerate anything illegal and unconstitutional that is going to be brought out by
What
the
do you mean anything illegal? It's the very existence of a group that is illegal. No group can exist as a parallel justice system.
No.
You see, Ms. Dhingra, what's the point here? You're getting so ruffled because I'm asking you a question because there are two contradictory roles today. Please understand this, Ms. Dhingra, I'm making a very serious point to you. You have been wearing an activist hat, a social activist hat, and you're also wearing a political hat. It is this contradiction between these two hats. These are your contradictions. These are your compulsions. These are your fault lines tonight, that tonight you cannot even express yourself openly on Khap Panchayats for fear of offending your top leadership on the very same issue. So when I ask these questions, I have two ways of asking the questions. I can put it in a candy floss way. Okay, I can ask the question to you very indirectly, or I may not ask the question to you at all. Or like an independent journalist, I can ask you the question directly. When I ask you the question directly, do I become a paid journalist? That's the point. Where did all this start? By asking questions such as this. I'm going to take a break and come back. Just think about it, Rachna. Think about it, Rachna. Just think about it. I'm back in 90 seconds. I'd like to quickly, go back into the debate. I want to go back by going back at this stage to Kumar Ketkar, and let's go to our guests in Mumbai, Sanjay Jha, Vineet Narayan debate. I personally don't think Kumar Ketkar, the point that Vineet Narayan raised, I have tremendous regard for Vineet Narayan. I look up to some of the work that he has done as a journalist and as a crusader. I'm saying this openly, Vineet Narayan, but I have a slight, Razaji, ek minute, I just have a slight disagreement if you say that in response you should black out the Aam Aadmi Party, because you can't black out somebody just because they don't come on your program, so they disagree with you. I don't think that is the right approach, is it? I mean, I personally don't think so. What do you think, Kumar Ketkar?
Obviously, I mean, nobody can. In fact, if you black out, that will only go on to prove what Kejriwal is saying. Because he will say he is being blacked out because of the corporate pressure. So the question is that I think the debate fully should be there, and there is no harm in accepting that in the media there is black sheep. In fact, Election Commission, Press Council of India, Editors Guild of India, everybody is concerned and is investigating into the paid news affair. But to say that I will come to power and send them to jail, I will not allow this kind of thing to happen. This is a threatening language. And for the same language, we have condemned Sushil Kumar Shinde, and we also condemned Modi for the same kind of language. So how can Kejriwal be allowed to say the same things?
We keep spying on the Bhopal activists for Dow Chemical Company.
In fact, I don't know if you remember. I remember the 2nd of January 2014 when Arvind Kejriwal made that speech during the trust vote. We actually praised the way in which he made that speech. We saw the good points of his speech. Yes, when he made the good points of his speech. And I had said in that speech, and I want to quote, Vineet Narayan, if I can just quote what I had said. I said that's where Arvind Kejriwal comes in. Perhaps to change the script in the way that the two big parties undermine this election is finally becoming about the people.
Earlier people used to say...
I don't think we need to prove ourselves, but that is exactly what we said at that point of time.
People used to say that Sahara has bought the media.
They have forgotten. Vineet Narayan, yes, I saw you raise your hand there.
No, I want to tell you something very interesting. Couple of years back, there was a first ever public debate organized by a leading English news channel, where on one side was Arvind Kejriwal, Prashant Bhushan, Shanti Bhushan, Anna Hazare. On the other side was me, Tavleen Singh, Soma Chaudhary and Keshav Rao. And we were told that it's the first ever public debate. But 1,000 people in that auditorium, all were India Against Corruption volunteers. They were brought in there to hoot us out. But when I put my arguments, when I presented the facts, the audience was with me. But then I asked the anchor in one of the seminars at IIC, is this a public debate? Is this how you have fair coverage of the events? And he had to apologize for that. I mean, it's not that media has not gone out of the way to highlight him or highlight his issues, but it is so unfortunate that this guy and his leadership only use and throw people, one after the other. There's a whole range of...
Prem Shukla. No, Prem Shukla, my question to you, he's the executive editor of Dopair Ka Samna, which is the Shiv Sena newspaper. Prem Shukla, sorry for coming to you late. Has the Shiv Sena learnt, by the way, I just want to go back to your example, because Shiv Sena used to show a lot of intolerance, right? He used to go into newsrooms, threaten journalists, do morchas, carry out some attacks. काफी experience है शिवसेना को इस तरह के intimidation का. तो मैं ये आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा कि क्या शिवसेना सुधर चुकी है? क्या शिवसेना सीख गई है इन सालों से कि उन्हें भी ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए?
नहीं, शिवसेना ही अकेले गई ऐसा नहीं है. अभी कुमार केतकर जी के यहाँ तो एनसीपी वाले चले गए थे, विनायक मेटे चले गए थे, लेकिन शिवसेना ने कभी कन्फ्रंट कई बार हुआ है, लेकिन इसमें जो मुद्दे की बात है, शिवसेना प्रमुख 2011 में जब इनका जन लोकपाल आंदोलन चला तो कह रहे थे कि गद्दाफीवाद है, और जिस तरह से आज अरविंद केजरीवाल ने बात की है, वो छिपे हुए गद्दाफी का वो चेहरा जो है बेनकाब हो रहा है कि आप हमसे या तो एग्री हो जाइए, अगर आप मुझसे डिसएग्री हो गए तो आपको जेल में भेज दूंगा। तो ये इनका गद्दाफीवाद है जो बेनकाब हो रहा है।
पर आप तो एक्सपर्ट है ना इस सब में,
लेकिन हमने कभी आपको ये नहीं कहा कि आप हमारे खिलाफ, शिवसेना के खिलाफ
पार्टी कई सालों से एक्सपर्ट है। आप तो ये तो अरविंद केजरीवाल तो कुछ कह रहे हैं, आप तो करते हैं, आप तो जाके अटैक करते हैं लोगों के घर अटैक करते हैं
के खिलाफ।
तो नहीं तो मैं आपसे पूछ रहा था कि आप लोग आजकल कम कर रहे हैं, इसका कारण क्या है? क्या आप लोग सीख चुके हैं कि देश बदल चुका है, लोग बदल चुके हैं?
नहीं, हमने
इस तरह का व्यवहार टॉलरेट नहीं होगा। कि आपको ऐसा लगा है कि इंटॉलरेंस जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की होती है, जैसे शिवसेना की थी, आज आप लोग जो लोग कह रहे हैं थोड़ी बहुत सुधर चुके हैं, क्या इसलिए सुधर चुके हैं क्योंकि आपको भी लग रहा है कि ऐसा करके आपको कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा? आप अपने बारे में बताइए प्लीज।
नहीं, हम शिवसेना की तरफ से बहुत छोट, मतलब 50 साल में 10 घटनाएं आप बता सकते हैं, मैं कांग्रेस की आपको 50 घटनाएं बता दूंगा। तो इस तरह के इंटॉलरेंस अकेले शिवसेना ने नहीं किया है, तमाम लोगों ने किया है। लेकिन जो इंटॉलरेंस दिखा रहे हैं हमें केजरीवाल जी, वो तो एकदम नया इंटॉलरेंस है कि आप उसे एग्री होइए या डिसएग्री होइए, और डिसएग्री हुए तो आपको हम जेल में डाल देंगे। शिवसेना की तरफ से 50 साल में 5-10 घटनाएं हैं कुल मिला के।
नहीं, एक मिनट, मनीषा क्विकली, 4 मिनट्स लेफ्ट। मनीषा,
इतना इंटॉलरेंट होना ही गलत है। मीडिया को अपनी आवाज रखने का एक हक है। मीडिया को आप देखिए कितना उनका नाजुक मामला है कि अपने भी खफा हमसे, बेगाने भी ना खुश हैं, क्योंकि उनको किसी भी कहानी का दोनों पक्ष बताना है, और उनको इसके लिए अगर अपने नागरिक सुरक्षा के अधिकारों से वंचित किया जाए और एक मुख्यमंत्री जो रह चुका है वो धमकाए कि हम आपको लॉकअप में डाल देंगे इसके लिए, तो लॉकअप शब्द लोकतंत्र का बिल्कुल विरोध है। कहीं ना कहीं तो मुझे लगता है कि आप सब जर्नलिस्ट कम विरोध कर रहे हैं।
तो संजय झा, when you're listening to this debate, what are the learnings? You know, what are your learnings out here? When you're listening to this debate, do you get a sense that now, at least, no, 1 minute, Razaji, 1 minute, do you get a sense that even the Congress party, the BJP, all parties should now begin to actually realize that there is a new media in this country which will aggressively ask questions to every political party and every political player? That there is an emergence of a new, independent and very assertive media in this country which is here to stay. Sanjay, what do you think?
Well, Arnab, let me tell you that I come repeatedly on your channel despite all the the criticisms and the acrimonious discussions we may have had, because of the simple reason that my party believes that, end of day when I come here, to me it's irrelevant who the anchor is, who the channel is. Frankly, it doesn't matter. I come here to defend my party, whether it's your program or somebody else's program. And I think all spokespersons of the Congress go to a channel chosen by the AICC. But the fundamental point is that, today I think the reason, I don't want to comment on what Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has said. I do believe that the majority of media knows its obligations and its responsibilities. But you do have to acknowledge.
But why don't you want to comment on what Arvind Kejriwal said about locking up journalists?
Why don't because I don't agree with that. I don't agree that you should summarily make a statement saying that you'll put somebody to jail. But I think there is a fundamental point that I do want to bring to your attention. And that has got to do with the fact that there is a stink in your backyard, and I think the media needs to recognize that. I think if you don't, I think you're going to harm, everybody's going to harm their reputation. And there are 2 points I want to make here. Just let me make these 2 points. Number one, that while the media is in the job of giving public service and information, don't forget that you also have to make corporate profits, and sometimes there can be a conflict of interest between those 2 ends. The second point,
I'll tell you one thing, self-regulation, Sanjay Jha,
can be an oxymoron.
Sanjay Jha, just a minute please. First of all, I need to just tell you one clear thing. I don't like this shooting in the dark business, and I'm saying this to you very, 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 very candidly and very, very directly. And if you must listen to this, you must listen to this, because this, Mr. Sanjay Jha, I don't beat around the bush. So listen to me, Mr. Jha. Mr. Jha, listen to me, Mr. Jha. I'll tell you the ones who are trying to fleece the country, and those who are trying to take away our natural assets, fleece the country and rob it of its potential, are the scamsters behind the CWG scam. Those who are trying to fleece the country and make money and have Swiss bank accounts are the people who are in these 2G scam. The people who feature in other scams, they are the people who are in the Aircel Maxis scam, in the Devas ISRO scam.
Arnab,
These
there
are the people who are
investigative
making money and
agencies in
doing
India,
profit. And Mr.
whether
Sanjay
it's
Jha,
the
you can go and
enforcement
ask
directorate,
anyone
whether
here
it's the
today that if
income
there is a
tax, whether
semblance
it's
of
the CBI, or
accountability,
whether it
why
is the
politicians
courts.
in this
No, no,
country
the
are
point I'm
afraid
making
of
is there
being
are
exposed, it is
investigative
because of the
agencies
media. Mr.
that will
Sanjay Jha,
decide
please
who's
listen to
guilty
me.
and who's
You take
not.
the free and
So I
independent
don't want to
media
get
away
into
from
that.
this country, and this country will
Arnab, I
change
want to make a
forever.
point to
I don't
you.
think we want
I
that
want to
change,
make a point to you
Mr.
that
Sanjay Jha. But if you have
worldwide-
decided to provide covering fire to the Aam Aadmi Party, that's your
I'm saying
choice.
Worldwide,
That's your
Arnab,
choice.
Worldwide, Arnab,
That's your
people are
choice.
discussing.
That's also transparent
People are asking
tonight.
questions.
Siddharth Nath Singh, quickly. 2 minutes left. Siddharth Nath Singh.
Bottom line is politicians love us. Politicians love us when we say nice things about them. Politicians hate us when we say bad things about them.
Okay, Siddharth Nath Singh. Siddharth Nath Singh.
I'm really surprised the way Sanjay Jha is covering up for Aam Aadmi Party or the Arvind Kejriwal
Siddharth
statement.
Nath Singh,
I don't think
your party
that
is the one.
you know, the
Your party
Congress
is the one
needs
that
to
hounded
cover
the
up
Helka
unless
outlook.
until the
And we know what the
Congress
Goa
and
Chief
Aam
Minister
Admi
thinks of
Party
journalists.
have a
We know
agreement,
what the
and
Goa
Aam
Chief
Admi
Minister
Party
thinks
has
of
been
journalists from the
used
BJP.
by Congress
So please
to
don't give
attack
any
BJP
sanctimonious lectures here on
or to bring
Newsa.
the numbers down. That's been their failed strategy, but that's been their strategy. Now, they must understand that, you know, the words don't make a difference, but you need to come out openly, Mr. Jha, and say what Arvind Kejriwal has said is absolutely, not agreeable, and you need to condemn it, because you cannot be saying to the fourth pillar that we'll put you behind the bars. It is something which is absolutely ridiculous.
Let me tell you,
1
minute.
You know, I
Since
do
we are into
remember
semantics,
few
since
days
we are
back,
into
Sanjay,
semantics, I can tell you
few
that
days
nobody
back,
can go
there
behind
was a
bars
video footage
unless
where Arvind
convicted by the
Kejriwal
court
with a Hindi
and unless
channel
investigation
was trying
proves
to
it.
edit
One
the
minute.
interview.
Let us not waste
That
our
they
time
should
in
favor
semantics,
them.
Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh. We know what Mr. Manohar
No,
Parrikar
there's not
thinks of
semantics.
journalists
You
in
didn't
Goa.
even attack
It was
that
the
day.
most demeaning, the most contemptuous statement. And if I was
Mr.
Arnab Goswami, I would be
Mr.
holding
Jha,
a
you
full
didn't even attack that day.
to take the BJP to task. How could you humiliate journalists by talking
On
about them
the
in such a
same channel
casual,
with Times
disdainful
Now when
manner? The reason
Ashutosh
why I'm raising this point,
Arnab
and
Goswami
Arnab,
very
I
happy.
raised this point to
You were a
that
silent
I expected
spectator.
you to defend Siddharth Varatharajan's intimidation by right-wing fundamentalists. I expected you to fight for Anirudh.
Well, you know,
there are larger issues the media needs to
versus
address.
Congress given.
Are
Well,
you being
I,
soft on certain elements that seem to be creating a
you know,
fascist
here's a
environment in
BJP
India?
versus
My
Congress
question
debate that is now beginning to
Nothing else.
emerge.
So you
Razaji,
agree or you
I
disagree
give the
with
final
Arvind
word to the
Kejriwal?
journalists here. I don't think there's any reason, of course, for the journalists here to explain. But what is your takeaway from this nature?
You know, I'm very glad this discussion has happened.
Thank
I
you.
hope it will be a message to all those who are going to be elected in these elections. And the acid test for the government will be how it treats a critical media.
Absolutely. And I just want to say this at the end. To all our panelists. To all our panelists. Raza ji.
आपने मुझे कुछ बोलने नहीं दिया थोड़ा सा मैंने बोला पहले बाद में मैं आधे घंटे से 40 मिनट से यहाँ बैठा हूँ मैं आपका पूरी तरह सुन रहा हूँ
मैं आपकी बात सुन रहा हूँ
कुछ भी बोलने नहीं जा रहा कुछ भी नहीं हाउ मच
राजा जी आपने काफी कुछ बोला मगर एक बात याद रखिए
ह्यूमन राइट्स वायलेशंस किलिंग्स 120 बॉयज वर किल्ड इन 2010 कितने ट्रांसपेरेंट थे आप उस टाइम कितना आपने दिखाया
So
4,000 people are missing
Shahid
in
Siddiqui
custody of
has not
security
come in.
forces.
I give the last
कितना
word to
आपने
Shahid
दिखाया आज
Siddiqui.
तक?
Shahid Siddiqui, you've
कितने
straddled
families
both
के
sides.
आपका मीडिया
You've straddled both sides, politics and media, and you keep straddling these both sides. Your final thoughts tonight.
Yes.
Shahid Siddiqui, your last
Arnab, last 66 years, every political party has tried to put media in its place. Every political party, when it has been questioned, has done this. But media has always fought back, whether during the emergency or during when Rajiv Gandhi wanted to bring a law to muzzle the media, or all the time. But let me say, in a democracy, it is only and only the media. A voter, Aam Aadmi votes only one day in 4 years and 364 days. He votes only for one day. And 4 years and 364 days, it is the media which questions the government. It is the media which works for the Aam Aadmi. It is the media which keeps democracy alive. And I am proud that I am part of this media. And even as a politician, I have never allowed the parties or the politicians to
Absolutely, and I'm completely short of time.
I'm proud to be a media person. I reject
Vinod Mehta says to politicians, don't fight us, you will lose. And I just want 10 seconds, if I can, to just say something to the viewers tonight. Just 10 seconds, please. Please allow me, Mr. Raza. I'm not a politician, but I'm still not in handcuffs and I'm still not in jail, okay? The day I'm in jail, I can't speak, but let me say this tonight. The new media in India has been born. The new media is a young, assertive and independent media. The new media knows how to discriminate between right and wrong. And as Vinod Mehta says, and I second that, the new media does not need a certificate from any politician and knows how to stand up for itself. Let that message go to every single politician, political party or aspiring politician in this country today. Thank you very much for joining me on that debate on the News Hour tonight.